Hey guys, how are you all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So got a bit of weekend wick action here, as you guys can see. So yeah, 15-minute DMT, still in the buy trade. We saw this wick down towards the buy line the other day, and then we've also had this little try to get down there today as well. But obviously you can see the market's still holding up around basically the same level. 25-minute Dominator. After the buy, it did signal a sell around here, so that trade would have got you at its maximum, went down to, well, just over 1%, but you quite likely just would have scratched the trade. It did turn to a buy about here, which would have been about 0.5% loss. So if you then did take the buy from here, you would have actually got up to, you would have basically got up to 2.5, and then with the trade and take profit, you would have taken a profit on that trade. It would have all happened pretty quick, but nonetheless, the bots would have caught it, so you wouldn't have had to worry about locking in that profit. So that was a good buy there. Obviously not as good as this one, but hey, we can't have moves like that all the time, can we? So Ethereum, 15-minute DMT, again, same as before. Ethereum looking pretty strong, like knocking on 200's door, so I'm pretty sure with some more BTC strength we'll definitely get through that 200 level, but we'll see what happens. It all depends which way BTC goes. Again, Ethereum, we got the 25-minute sell here, which wouldn't have been a great sell, and then I think the buy would have got you in on, yeah, would have got you in on this candle. So based on that candle, it pretty much went straight up to nearly 2%, offside a bit, up to 2.5%. So you would have basically, with the bot setup that I do use when I use the bot, you would have locked in those profits on that Dominator for Ethereum, as well as a Dominator for Bitcoin. So that's good to see. But other than that, it's relatively quiet this weekend. Well, it's been relatively quiet for the last couple of days now, hasn't it? If you go back to Bitcoin, you can pretty much see we're just trading in this basically horizontal line. So not much to see there. Stock market's closed strong, so I'm monitoring weekend Wall Street, see what happens there. If that starts to look weak, then that could potentially put some downward pressure on Bitcoin, so we'll see what happens there. But yeah, anyway, so thanks for listening, guys. Remember, you should always do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't listen to anything I say. And I'll speak to you guys soon.